She looked at me like I look at you. She asked me what I wanted to do, and I said, well, baby, I don't know. And she said, well, then, honey, let's go.
Okay, well, welcome back to the shop. Let's now see what's happening here. So, in order to create my welding fixture table, I spent a lot of money on a mag drill. And it occurs to me that a mag drill table would be pretty handy, or a mag drill stand. And then I realized that I had refurbished this milling vise, and so it occurs to me that I could create a base, and the vise, of course, comes in perfectly handy to hold the workpiece. I've got some 1/4-inch plate here that I've marked out, and I think I'm going to try and cut it up today. And then I've got some 1/8 inch by 1.5 that I'm going to overhang this. And I don't think it's going to screw it up completely. We'll see, of course.
These dance hall girls, they treat you kind. They give you their bodies, you'll never reach their minds. They fill you up with lipstick lies, then they put you down some. Don't be surprised, that's the way it always is here in Baltimore. I've touched the mountains, I've kissed the plains, felt the sunshine, I've drank her rain. Been so far, then I broke too fast. Well, I thought I had a winner picked, but I came in last again, and that's the way it always is here in Baltimore. I must have chosen the wrong season to come down. I never realized they called this sacred ground my sense of time. Hell, I'm a week behind. Sent you a letter home, this all takes time, you know. Wanna get some money, wanna go back home. Feel alone. That's the way it always is here in Montreal. That's the way it always is here in Montreal.
Well, so I'm an absolute beginner at Fusion 360, but I was able to build these end caps for the 3 pieces of metal that I'm using to, what should I say, surround my mag drill plate that I fabricated for the top of my milling vise. So I made 2 of them on my 3D printer last night, smashed them into the first piece, and they seem to work out well. So I'm hoping that this print of 4 is suitable. So we'll see. project is complete. On the mag drill stand that's attached to the milling vise, I've now got the side pieces that hold the mag drill from sliding off sideways when it's not turned on. This will allow it to slide back a little bit. They're just tack welded to hold them in place, but that's probably good enough. And it was a fun little project, and tomorrow morning is my hip replacement surgery, so we're done in the shop for a while. Thanks for watching.
She looked at me like I look at you. She asked me what I wanted to do, and I said, well, baby, I don't know. And she said, well, then